gonna be alright.
Hello friends, this is Dhruvi here. Since you are watching this, I am sure you must have started drinking green tea or you must be planning to start green tea. So I'll tell you 20 benefits of drinking green tea. So if you are drinking green tea, then it's bonus. Like there are 20 benefits. Come on yaar, 20 benefits for just one that drink. So you must start drinking if you are planning, like you must start. It is really beneficial. I myself drink twice a day and it is like a magic, like your life turns magically. Okay, without wasting time, let's go to the video. First, it reduces the risk of cancer. So if you're scared that you'll get cancer and all those stuff, so just start drinking green tea. It is beneficial. Second, green tea is a energy booster. It gives instant energy, and if you are lazy and if you are feeling low, you can just have a cup of green tea and it will do magic. Third thing, this is the best thing. Like for this reason, everyone are starting drinking green tea, and I am sure maybe you also. Burning fat and weight loss. Yes, definitely it helps in weight loss 100%. Like I have tried it and I have seen that on myself, and similarly I have seen on my brother and many other of my friends. So just start drinking green tea. I am 100% sure. I can give guarantee on green tea. Like if you are drinking green tea twice a day regularly, yeah. Tip number 1, do it regularly. Anything you are doing it, do it regularly. Then only it will affect on your body. So do it regularly. Fourth, it is good for skin as it detoxify your body. Detoxify is like if whatever junk food you are eating, whatever oily food you are eating, but if you are drinking green tea, it will detoxify your body and it will help more in digestion and more in glowing your skin. So if you have pimples, spots and many of the other skin allergies and skin problems, it will really help you in getting those clear and glowing your skin from inside. So green tea is beneficial for skin. Fifth, it helps in your vision. If you are having specs or if you don't want specs in future or if you don't want your numbers to grow, then just go for green tea. It will help you in your vision also. Sixth, it helps you in brain activities. It helps you in concentration and improves your memory. Seventh, it helps in anxiety. It helps in your emotional and mental health. It improves that and it beats stress. So it is really good for your mental health, and nowadays it is like really very common in everyone. Eighth, it increases the immune system, which avoids your normal viral fever and all those stuffs. So you won't be unwell very soon and you'll be healthy. Ninth, it reduces bacteria in your mouth. So if you are having those mouth problems or frequently you are getting those boils and all those stuffs in your mouth, it will help you to remove bacteria from your mouth and it will keep your mouth fresh and good. 10th, it is good for bones. It makes your bones stronger than before. 11th, it is good for diabetes. So people having diabetes, start drinking green tea. Come on, you're waiting for what? 12th, it is good for blood pressure. People with BP problems, start drinking green tea. I haven't tried it, but obviously I have heard it means it is gonna work and doctors do recommend green tea. 13th, it even lowers the cholesterol, so it is good. 14th, it protects against heart disease. 15th, this is amazing. It helps, it delays the signs of aging. So people having aging signs on their face can start drinking green tea. It will definitely lowers it. But if you are the normal age like from 18 to 25, then start drinking green tea. It will delay your aging. 16, it eliminates hangover. Come on, people going for parties and all those at nights, next day have a green tea. It will eliminate your hangover. 17, it eliminates allergy and prevents from having one. Like who don't have allergies? I have a skin allergy, so I drink green tea and it avoids getting me allergic towards those things. So it is really good. 18, it increases your metabolism, which helps you in work more and work with a fresh mind. 19, it is very good for tooth loss and helps to prevent cavities. Nowadays cavities you get everywhere in every of the mouth. So start green tea and it will help you. 20, healthy circulatory system. With this, blood will flow throughout your body and it will help you to be fit and strong and fresh mind. Okay guys, I hope you like my video. So there are 20 benefits. So just remove from your mind that green tea is only for weight loss. No, green tea has many benefits, healthy benefits. So if you want to watch other videos saying that how to make green tea or which green tea I use or perfect time to drink green tea and all those stuff, then do let me know in the comment section. I'll soon make a video of that. Okay, don't forget to give a big thumbs up if you knew something new to this video, new from this video, since this video was very healthy, beneficial, and you must have known many things which you didn't knew before 2-3 minutes. So please do give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. This video is free and that's it. Please do click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Okay, bye bye, see you in next video. Don't forget I come every Monday and Friday, so do subscribe.